everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be going through all of this exciting stuff that I've gotten for nail school. If you're interested, just keep watching. This is stuff that you would need to have for basic manicures and, you know, gels and acrylic. So I have so many different kits that I want to go over, as well as all of these goodies I have in this bag back here. So let's just get right into it. I think I'm going to start off with this manicure bag first, just because I think that's something more people would be interested in. So I cleared everything off my little table, and we're going to start with this bag. I don't know where this is from, but it is from a company. I'll just flip it. It is from, I don't know, Verb Beauty or something. So you guys can Google that, and I'm sure some stuff will show up. As you can see, it has so many things in this pocket, which I think I'm going to go through first because it's just the first pocket. And this has a lot of like manicure utensils and manicure necessities, but it's so exciting, people. Like, honestly, it's super exciting. So I have used a few of these things because I have been learning manicures in my class right now as part of my module, so a lot of the stuff is missing out of the package, but I did keep the package. I don't know why, but yeah, as they come up I'll show you what they are. So the first thing here is a foot a pedicure file. This is really nice because it is stainless steel, so they're all sanitizable, or yeah, like you can all sterilize them and stuff, so that's why I really like these. They are really intimidating to look at, to be honest. Next in here I have is another empty one. Okay, so here I have is a cuticle pusher. There's two different cuticle pushers I'll show you, but this is a cuticle pusher. This one's apparently supposed to be a little bit more gentle than the other one I'll show you. By the way, everything is from the brand Silk Line Professional. I don't know what it is, but again, you can Google them and see if you can purchase them. I don't think they're going to be too expensive, but I'm not sure. Like, I haven't actually Googled them at all. Okay, next here I have is a stainless steel nail cutter, or a nail cutter. So this is for tips, as you can see, again from the same brand, but this is a tip cutter. The next thing, let's see what I pull out. I need to move it because there's so many things. The next thing is this really, really intimidating looking thing. I have no idea how to use this, but when I learn, I'll be sure, if you guys are interested, I'll be sure to do a video on this. But this is a 5.5 inch toenail nipper. Okay, and then the next thing I'm going to pull out is a nail file. This one I've already taken the backing off of because I've already used this, but this is the coarse one, I believe. Yeah, this one was the coarse nail file. Again, stainless steel, so you can sterilize them properly. And then here I have is a double-sided toenail file. Okay, the next thing here is a curved blade stainless steel cuticle scissor. Guys, from the same brand again, Silk Line. There's so many things, I'm telling you. Then we have the most exciting thing, which is a brush. This is from NSI. You can't really see, but this isn't a acrylic brush. It is a acrylic 3D nail art brush, which is really exciting. Again, if you want videos on the brushes I receive, you can let me know. Here's another stainless steel nail file. This one is the fine one, so it's good for this one is good for natural nails and whatnot. And what else do we have in here? So we have cuticle nippers, the most intimidating things. I feel like they're so intimidating and I hate using them, but again, they are also from Silk Line. And I'm super sorry, guys, this focus has been whack this whole video, I'm sure. And then I have this cuticle pusher. This one is like a little bit curved, as you can see. This one is better for harsh cuticles, so that's this one. It also has like a little scraper tool at the end of it. And then we have this guy, which is a eyelash application tweezer. I don't know why we have it, but I'm assuming it's to like pick up gems or stuff like that, I think is what it's going to be used for. And what else do we have in here? Okay, we have a large nail clipper and a small baby nail clipper. Okay, it's so packed up here now that stuff is actually starting to fall. And I believe that's all we have in here in this pocket. So I'm just gonna push all of this like onto the side. Okay, next we're gonna start with like, so there's so many, it's a pretty big bag. So next I'm just gonna go in this pocket right here. It's a middle pocket. What do I have here? Okay. So let's start with the middle pocket and I'll show you what I got in here. So opening it up, I'm just going to move this down here. So this is the first thing in there, and I'm just gonna throw that. It is a nail art brush set, which is super exciting, to be honest. I think it's one of the most exciting things I have. So there's so many different brushes. So there's fan brushes, there's some striping brushes, there's all these blotting tools, which is so exciting. Then there's more fine art type of brushes in here. You can use them for cuticle cleanup. Like, there's so many ways you can use these. Like, I'm so excited for this. Okay, so that's the first thing in that middle pocket. And then we have a whole pack of the cuticle sticks. So these are just the orange wood sticks. There's so many of them, but these ones are really nice to use for many different things. Okay, the next thing I have are, the next things in here are these Silk Line, what is this? This way. Lint-free nail wipes, again from Silk Line. There's 200 of them in here. I think there's 2 packs of them. So I have 2 packs of them, so that's so nice because now I have 400 of these, which is so exciting. Okay, and then I have a manicure bowl. Again, I have used this already for my manicure module, which is just a classic white manicure bowl. And then I have 2 packs of the nail buffers. So these are the Silk Line nail buffers, the disposable ones, which I think is really nice to have. There's 50 per bag, so there's 100 in total. As you can see, I've already been using them. But these are actually really nice. I've never used like disposable or like one-time use buffing blocks, but they're actually really good to use, and they're pretty coarse, so they work amazing. The next things I have are these 2 little bottles. So this is a top and base coat nail polish, and this one's Orly's Cutique, which is a cuticle remover and stain remover. It works so great, and I've never really used like cuticle removers and stuff, so I'm really excited about those, and I think they are amazing. Okay, the next thing I have in my kit are 2 nail polishes. We don't have many nail polishes, but these are the 2 nail polish we have. They're just like a pink, I don't even know if it might have just gotten way too bright, so I'm sorry, and a white. These are from C&D, and they're the shade Cream Puff and Negligee. So we got those. I think they're mostly for French. And then the last things we have are from, focus, they are from, I don't even know what they're from. What is the brand? American Nails, or American Nails, red, either or. And one's the gel polish base coat, and one is the no cleanse nail polish coat. That was the last thing that was in this bag. And this next, let's move on to the more exciting things. So this is the NSI Attraction acrylic system. This is really exciting, guys. If you're a beginner, it's kind of pricey, but I would recommend this because it does include every single thing. And when I say everything, you'll know what I'm talking about. This little kit includes so many things. So let's just get into it. So I think I'm just going to lay them out here as I open them, just so you can see. So the first thing in here are a bunch of nail files. So there's buffers, nail files, and there's also some nail forms. So it's just really nicely organized in a little Ziploc bag. Okay, oops. The next thing is this little pouch, and this little pouch includes quite a lot of things as well. So it has a bond, it has a, I don't know what this is, oh, tack-free top coat, and it also comes with brush-on glue. Okay, and then it comes with a white nail powder, or no, it's totally clear nail powder, so that's a pretty good jar to get you started, especially when you're in school. So this is a good amount to get me started after I'm done school as well. And then there's this one, which is in Rose Blush, which is so pretty. If you want a review on this kit on its own, do let me know and I will do that as well. This one is in Radiant White, so it's good for French and as well as like ombres. Then there's this one in Purely Pink, so this is a smaller one, but so cute. And then there's this guy in Sheer Pink. And then there's Soft White, which is really good for milk baths and like nail art, if you know what that is, as well as like, you know, ombre as well. I've actually used this on my sister-in-law already and it's really pretty. I also have Purely Pink, and Radiant Pink, and one of those big ones again. So this is quite a big amount of shades and acrylics that you need to get started off with. And then it does come with a nail brush. As you know, nail brushes are really expensive, so it's really handy that you get one in this kit. It's from NSI again. I don't know if I'm... Then there is a glass dampen dish. We all know what that looks like. And then there's this thing, which is really nice because it comes with all these liquids. So this is a brush cleaner, which is really important when you're doing acrylic because acrylic does tend to stick on the brush. Then there's a purifying bottle. What is this? Fast acting spray. I think it's just like alcohol. And then there's this one, which is a cleanse and dehydrator. So that's really handy. And we're still not done, guys. So there's so many things already and there's still more. So there's a big bottle of your monomer, so your nail liquid. We have some cuticle oil. What a cute bottle, isn't it? Again, we have more wipes if we needed more. And then we have some square nail tips in here. So they're not clear, they're that cloudy type, which is so cool. I'm so excited. Alright, next in the same format, I'm just going to go through the NSI Balance Gel system. Again, so I'm just going to put this on the side. And again, if you want to start with gel, this kit comes with so many things. So the first thing I'm pulling out is this stuff. It's just sculpting gels in sculpting white, sculpting soft white, and brush on white. So they're nicely packaged like that. And then there's all of these, again, so many. One of them is actually has leaked, so I think I'm going to open this up and remove the tackiness. So one's Builder Blush. These are all Builder gels, so it's Builder Blush, Cover Pink Warm, Clear, and Bodybuilder Clear. I don't really know a lot about gel, but I'm so excited to learn. There's forms. Alright, and for some reason the files don't come in like little Ziploc bag in this, but I'll show you them individually because they're already unpackaged. But it does come with a lot of like repeated stuff. So yeah. So this is the first nail file. This is the 150 one. The 150 grit. Then we have the 180 grit. And then there's a 100 grit. And then there's a buffer, 180-240 buffer. It also does come with a gel brush. It also comes with a cleanser and the purifying spray thing and a dehydrator. So that's really good as well. Then it does come with those things that I took out from the other kit. So it does come with like the top coat, the primer, the cuticle oil, and the brush on nail glue. Also comes with those wipes, and it also comes with tips. These ones are clear though, so I've never actually had clear tips, so I'm really excited for these. So these are clear square nail tips. So that's all that comes in this kit, which again is so many things. I will leave a link down in the description box if I do find a link that you can buy this kit from. I'm not sure if it's just available for professionals, but I'm sure you can find them. So I will try my best to see if I can find a site where you can buy this kit or maybe a really similar kit. Alright, and the last thing I got in my kit was the Silkline Professional UV and LED nail lamp, which is really exciting because mine was actually disgusting. So I'm really excited that I got a new one. So I'll just open it and show you what it looks like. This one isn't too strong is what our teacher was telling us, so sometimes you might have to cure it double the time, but it's really cute and really nice if you're just starting off. So yeah, so that's what it looks like. Oh, so pretty. It's so pretty and so sleek and small compared to the one I have. It does have the 10-second, 30-second, 60-second, and auto functions, which is really nice. I can't wait to actually use this. Alright, and this is the last thing I have in my kit. If you want me to do a more thorough review in any of the kits, please let me know, and I will. If you want me to continue sharing my knowledge that I gained throughout nail school and you want to know that, let me know so I can do that for you as well. But for now, that's it. I'm really excited, guys, and it's all a new, system I'm working with, a new light, new tools, new brushes, new brand of acrylic, and it's just super exciting because I've always worked with Sally's nail brand, so like Beauty Secrets, and so I'm really excited to start with a more professional brand. So if you want me to review any of them, please let me know and I will do that. And yes, that is all for today. Thank you for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe. Until next time, bye.